Gavin crawls. He's gonna get something. He wants something. It's okay, give it to Brother Gavin. Liam, no throwing. No throwing, just put it down. Put it down, please. Thank you. Put it down. Put it down on the mat. Put it down on the mat. Come on, Gavin, come get the ball. Liam, no stepping. No stepping. Go get the ball. Go get the ball, I mean, not the ball. Crawl, 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 Gavin. Oh, topple over. Come on. Gavin, you're not gonna get the ball? Look. Look, ball. Go get it. Go get the empty bowl, poor thing. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on, Gavin. Keep going. Oh, block, not bowl. Get the bowl. Are you not interested in the bowl anymore? There we go. You're almost there. Stop blowing raspberries. He's gonna get it. Good job, Gavin.